Download the installer from the official website. Select your operating system. Click on the download button to download a trial version. Once the installer is downloaded, open the installer. Select a preferred language. Read the agreement carefully and accept the agreement to continue. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, fill the checkbox. We have successfully installed the software. Now we will convert a dummy PST file with the software. Click on the Browse button to select a PST file. After that, click on the Browse button to select a location for the output file. Finally, click on Convert Now button to start the process. The process has completed. Here you can see that PST file is successfully converted into EML file. You can use these files in any suitable platform or software. Purchase the full version from the official website to convert without limits. Thanks for watching.